So this is what I usually eat during the school off day. I bought it from S Market. It costs 3.11 euro, and then it has like 3 chicken thighs in it. I usually put it in the oven, and then it says here it's already been marinated. Some paprika, salt, and some other ingredients that I don't know. It said some sugar in it, and then I'm gonna cook it for 60 minutes in 175 degree. So here's is the chicken thighs. I already washed my hands, and then I'm gonna cook 2 of them. For this is for today and this is for tomorrow, and I'm gonna save this for another day. I've already preheated the oven. I put on the up and then down, and then at 175 degrees Celsius. Yes, it's pretty warm. I'm gonna cook this for 60 minutes. Yeah. So it's been about 40 minutes. So I'm gonna start cook my rice. I'm gonna scoop with this little cube cup that I have. I'm gonna scoop like 2 scoops or 2.5 for the exact. Then I'm gonna rinse the rice with the water. I'm gonna do it with 2 hands, so I'm gonna stop. So I have rinsed the rice with water, so I'm gonna boil it for 5 minutes with high heat, and then I'm gonna boil it with low heat for 15 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes and my rice is good, so I'm gonna turn off the stove. After throwing the water, my rice is nice and fluffy. I'm gonna check my chicken. So yeah, my lunch is now ready. I'm gonna dig in and enjoy.